Is it the right time to buy or sell GameStop stock? Welcome back. Today, we're going to delve deeper into GameStop. We initially shared a report on our website on Wednesday, November 29, 2023. But now, we have an even more comprehensive analysis just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 28, 2023, our system has ranked GameStop as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, GameStop has exceeded our expectations, experiencing a significant gain of 20.46% since we first recommended buying it just 2 days ago. This impressive performance translates to an average return of 10.23% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. Keep in mind that a score of 0 indicates high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, it's difficult to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 29.09% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between minus 48.95% and minus 29.09%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a minus 21.84% change over the next 12 months. This could result in a potential return between minus 50.94% and 14.63%. In terms of price, this would mean a range of $7.97 to $18.63 after a year. Our latest update on GameStop brings you the headline, Volatile Ride for GameStop Stock Price on Wednesday, moving between $14.70 and $17.56. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 29, 2023, the GameStop stock price experienced a gain of 20.46%, going from $13.49 to $16.25. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 19.46%, starting at a low of $14.70 and reaching a high of $17.56. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 25.97% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased along with the price on the last day, which is a positive technical sign. A total of 48 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 61 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $985.56 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $27.87, while the lowest price was $11.83. Currently, the price is 41.69% or $11.62 below the 52-week high. It is also 96.64% or $466.75 below the all-time high, which was on January 28, 2021, when the price reached $483. Analyst ratings. On Friday, September 2, 2022, Raymond James gave GME a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, August 18, 2022, Wedbush gave GME an underperform grade with a downgrade action. On Friday, July 22, 2022, Wedbush gave GME an underperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, June 2, 2022, Oppenheimer gave GME an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, June 1, 2022, Piper Sandler gave GME a neutral grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have given GameStop stock a strong buy rating, indicating a positive outlook. They also rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy, suggesting favorable valuation. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating, implying a moderate expectation. Let's take a look at the signals for GameStop stock. The GameStop stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a promising future for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock experiences a decline, there is expected support at $13.07 and $13.45. Breaking below these levels will trigger sell signals. On Monday, November 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 36.44%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator. The increasing volume along with the rising price is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator has given a buy signal. Pivots are indicating a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average has given a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average has given a buy signal 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is indicating a sell signal 88 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 80 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for GameStop. When it comes to support levels, GameStop has two important ones just below today's level. These levels are determined by the accumulated volume and are at $13.64 and $13.49. Support levels are crucial because if they are broken, the stock may fall further to the next support level. In this case, if $13.64 is broken, the next support will be at $13.49 and $13.44. It's important to note that there is always some level of risk when a stock is testing a support level. However, GameStop has good trading volume and average movements during the day, which indicates a medium level of risk. Looking at the stock's recent performance, it has shown a daily average volatility of 8.66% over the past week. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $2.86 between its high and low, representing a 19.46% movement. These figures give us an idea of the stock's recent volatility. Before we explore potential trading levels for GameStop, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It is not uncommon for established companies to face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other important news, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on December 6, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.120. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they have the potential to significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for GameStop. Let's start with the upward trend. The first resistance level for GameStop is at $16.84. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. GameStop encounters its first support level at $13.64. If this support level holds, it could potentially be a good entry point, as you may anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, GameStop has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 1, 2023, Daniel William purchased 6,641 shares of Class A common stock. On October 12, 2023, Robinson Mark Haymond sold 11,966 shares of Class A common stock. On October 2, 2023, Robinson Mark Haymond sold 4,220 shares of Class A common stock. On October 2, 2023, Moore Daniel Williams sold 686 shares of Class A common stock. On September 11, 2023, Cheng Lawrence purchased 1,232 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 55.962. In total, insiders have bought 2,382,967 shares and sold 2,525,244 shares in the last 100 trades. Today, we'll be discussing a stock recommendation with a potential stop loss set at $15.66, representing a decrease of 3.66%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, making it a medium-risk investment option. What's interesting is that we have identified a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom that occurred just 2 days ago. Is GameStop stock a good buy? While GameStop holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, meaning you can hold or accumulate the stock while monitoring further developments. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, November 30th, we expect GameStop to open with a decrease of $0.0800, starting at $16.17. Before we proceed, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult a certified financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock and hear your thoughts as well. Whether you agree or disagree, we encourage you to comment below and let us know your target for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.